Hello, in this video lecture I am going to explain how can you access the two-dimensional array, means how can you print the elements in matrix format. Let's start. Write a C program to find sum of diagonal elements of a square matrix. Sum of diagonal elements of a square matrix. Let's take an example of a square matrix. My matrix is in this format. Here I am having one element, second element, third element, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. I am having, this is my 3 and 3 matrix. Now I want to print the sum of first elements, sum of second elements, third element, like these diagonal elements and these diagonal elements I want to print 1, 2, 3. This is the example how can you print your diagonal elements. First, let's see the logic. What is the address of this array? Failed. This is 0, 0. What is the address of this? 1, 1. What is the address of this? 3, 3. So if I equal to j, then you go and print these elements, these diagonal elements. And what is the address of this? Row 1, column 3. Row 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay, this is row 0 and column 2, 0, 2. And what is this? 1, 1. And this is 2, 1. 0 plus 2, how much? 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0. If I plus j equal to 2, then you print these elements. And except these elements, you print space. Other elements are space. Let's see. First, I am declaring one array having 12 and 12, maximum 12 elements. And integer I am taking ij row and column sum equal to 0. Enter the elements of row and columns. Here I am entering the row and column elements, row and column, %d, ampersand row and column. Now access the elements of row and column. Here I am going to scan my row. For I equal to 0, I less than row, I plus plus, j equal to 0, j is less than row, column, j plus plus, scan f %g, ampersand mat of ij, means it will access scan the elements of this matrix. Now let's see. Now print the elements. This line of course will print the array of elements in this format. Let's see. For I equal to 0, I less than row, I plus plus, j equal to 0, j is less than column, j plus plus, print mat of I0, ij with slash t. Slash t means it will differ by one space with slash n. Okay. Now your matrix will be printed. Now I want to find the sum of these elements. Sum of these elements means sum of diagonal elements. Let's see how can you print sum of diagonal elements. For I equal to 0, I less than row, I plus plus, j equal to 0, j is less than column, j plus plus. If I equal to j, and I plus j equal to 2, then it will find the sum of all elements. At the end, it will print the sum. The sum will contain 6 elements. Let's see what is multidimensional array. Multidimensional array means we have already discussed what is one-dimensional array. It is having one row more than one column. We have already discussed what is two-dimensional array. It is having more than one row and more than one column. Now what is multidimensional array? This multidimensional array having more than two two-dimensional array. Let's see. This is one 2DA. This is one 2DA. This is one 2DA. So more than one two-dimensional array is nothing but a multidimensional array. How can you access the elements of this multidimensional array? So let's see how can you declare and initialize the multidimensional array. So if your array is M, and what is row and what is column? 3 row and 3 columns. There are having two-dimensional array. Each two-dimensional array contains 2 row, 3 and 3, 3 row, 3 columns. You can write 3 row, 3 columns. And what are number of two-dimensional array? 3. So this you can write 3, 3 and 3. M of 3, 3, 3. This 3 is nothing but level. How many levels are there? This 3 is number of rows. This 3 is number of columns. Let's see. Initialization in three-dimensional array. You can call it multi-dimensional or three-dimensional array. You can arrange the elements like this. Int, integer, the data type. X is the array name. 2 is the number of level. 3 is the number of rows. 4 is the number of columns. So how many elements are there in this array? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. So 24 elements are present in this multi-dimensional array. And how can you access the elements? It's very simple. You declare the elements. X of C. You declare the elements x of 2, 3, 2 means 2 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 2. Model means 12 elements are present in this array. So int x of 2, 3, 2, you can access the elements, you can contain the elements, you can declare the elements, right? First you have to declare the elements. What is the next step? Next step is for I equal to 0, I less than 2, I plus plus. This is your level. For j equal to 0, j is less than 3, j plus. This is your number of rows. For k equal to 0, k less than 2, k plus plus is the number of columns. Now you print x of I, j and k. This is how can you access the multi-dimensional array.